Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to restore your iPhone without any password using 3 tools. Go to Flash, select a firmware. You must be having a firmware for this process. I'll tell you how to download this firmware. Now tap on auto activation and skip setup. Now tap on Flash. Tap on Flash again. Now the process will start. After completing this, you don't need an Apple ID or any password to restart your phone. Now restoration is done. Go to device. Here you can see your device is activated. Now your iPhone will restart to normal. Here you can see. I hope you guys like this video. For more videos like this, like, share and subscribe.